Hello students, in today's video we will be learning about rivers of Africa. Major rivers of Africa include Nile, Congo, Niger, Zambezi and other river includes Orange and Limpopo. Let's start learning about river Nile. River Nile is the longest river in the world. It is more than 6400 kilometers longer. The source of river Nile is Lake Victoria. It's that is why though it passes from the Sahara desert region, it is always perennial. It has water throughout the river because Lake Victoria, which is located very close to equator in the region of everyday rainfall, equatorial region, the region of rainforest. As the continent flows towards the north, Nile also flows from south to north, means from Lake Victoria it moves towards the Mediterranean Sea, which is located in the north. So mouth of river Nile is the Mediterranean Sea, and that means the river Nile ending in Mediterranean Sea. River Nile has fertile banks, that is why it is densely populated. Second river is River Congo. River Congo is the second longest river in Africa, and it has numerous tributaries which are draining the larger area. That is why River Congo is one of the largest river system in the world after Amazon, which is located in South America. River Congo flows through the middle of the continent through the equatorial forest region, and it is considered as the major source of transportation because the central part of Africa is covered with dense forest, and that is why this region is quite unsuitable for the construction of roads and railways. Mouth of river Congo is Atlantic Ocean, that means it empties its water in Atlantic Ocean. Next river is river Niger. It is the third longest river in Africa. The source of this river, the origin of this river is highland in the west coast, and it has less water because it origins in the dry region and flows throughout its course in the dry areas. That is why it has less water present in it. It empties its water in Atlantic Ocean. Next river is river Zambezi. It is considered as the fourth longest river in Africa, and this river Zambezi being located in the plateau region having several rapids and waterfall, which that is why river Zambezi is not good for the transportation. It flows through central Africa and moves towards southward and empties its water in Indian Ocean. Sorry, it's not Atlantic Ocean, it is Indian Ocean. Location of Lake Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls are located on river Zambezi. You can see the location of Victoria Falls here, which is the tourist attraction. Rivers of Africa include Orange and Limpopo River as well, which are located in the southern part of Africa. River Limpopo in the southern part of Africa empties its water in Indian Ocean. River Orange again in the southern part of Africa and empties its water in Atlantic Ocean. On river Zambezi, which I have shown, Victoria Falls is located. The name it has on its name as the smoke that thunders, and it makes tremendous the water makes tremendous sound while falling down. Most of the rivers of Africa are impassable. They are not navigable because they cause lot of difficulties in transportation, as they all are located, most of the rivers of Africa are located on plateau region, which are not navigable. In the next video, we will be learning about climatic regions of Africa, and we will be dealing with the different factors affecting the climate of Africa. Stay connected. Please comment. Bye bye and subscribe.